If you are looking for a reliable and experienced land surveyor in Chandigarh, look no further than Scon Design India Private Limited. Scon Design India Private Ltd is a renowned company that specializes in providing top-notch land surveying services in Chandigarh and the surrounding areas. With their team of highly skilled professionals and state-of-the-art equipment, they ensure accurate and precise measurements for all types of land surveying projects. Whether you need a boundary survey, topographic survey, or construction staking, Scon Design India Private Ltd has the expertise to handle it all. As a land surveyor, Scon Design India Private Ltd plays a crucial role in various industries, including real estate development, infrastructure planning, and construction. Their services are essential for determining property boundaries, assessing land suitability for development, and providing accurate measurements for construction projects. With their in-depth knowledge of land surveying principles and techniques, they can provide valuable insights and data that are crucial for making informed decisions and ensuring the success of any project. One of the key reasons why Scon Design India Private Ltd is highly recommended as a land surveyor in Chandigarh is their commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. They understand the importance of delivering accurate and reliable results within the specified time frame. Their team of experienced surveyors follows industry best practices and utilizes advanced technology to ensure precise measurements and detailed reports. With their attention to detail and commitment to excellence, they have built a reputation as one of the leading land surveying companies in the region. Whether you are a homeowner looking to build an addition to your property or a developer planning a large-scale construction project, they have the expertise to handle it all. A land surveyor plays a crucial role in the development and construction industry. In Chandigarh, one of the leading companies in this field is Scon Design India Private Limited. Scon Design India Private Ltd is a well-established and reputable firm that offers a wide range of professional services, including land surveying. With their expertise and experience, they provide accurate and reliable surveying solutions to clients in Chandigarh and beyond. As a land surveyor, the primary responsibility is to measure and map the land, ensuring precise boundaries and topographic features are identified. They use advanced equipment and technology to gather data, such as GPS, total stations, and laser scanners. This data is then analyzed and processed to create detailed maps, plans, and reports that are essential for various purposes like property development, infrastructure projects, and land management. Scon Design India Private Ltd has a team of highly skilled and qualified land surveyors who are well-versed in the latest surveying techniques. They have extensive knowledge of local regulations and standards, ensuring that their surveys comply with all legal requirements. Whether it's conducting boundary surveys, topographic surveys, or construction staking, their surveyors are equipped to handle any project with precision and efficiency.